Are you thinking about making a move to Greensboro, North Carolina, and you want to know what the premier art museum here is in Greensboro? Well, you're going to want to check out this video. My name is Meredith Parsons. I'm a realtor. I live here. I love it here. I want you to move here and love it here as much as I do. If you could do this, it would be awesome. If you could like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because each week I'm going to be taking you on a little tour, a little adventure of all things Greensboro Triad area, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. You ready? Well, let's go. I have still been wanting to get in a museum, and so today I thought I would take you on a tour of the best museum that we have in Greensboro, North Carolina. We are at the Weatherspoon Art Museum, and it is right here on the campus of UNCG. Let me pan it around and show you how pretty the building is. There's the campus. So the Weatherspoon Museum is the largest collection of contemporary and modern art in the southeast of the United States. And it's right here, like I said, on the campus of UNCG, the University of North Carolina at Greensboro. And so this museum is open every day except for Sundays and Mondays. And it is open from 10 to 5, except on Thursdays it's open until 8 o'clock, so late hours. And I'm hoping they'll let me film in here. Let's see. We're gonna go inside and see what they say. So how much does it cost to get in here? It's absolutely free. That's right, free. They have 5 different exhibits going on right now, on top of what they normally do. Look how pretty this building is. So the museum does have guided tours, and they actually have 3 exhibits right now. And this one that we just walked into is, well, it's called Welcome to the Space for Creativity. You can zoom in on that sign over here. So you're able to come in, be creative. They have this exhibit here where you can type a message up. How cute is that? They've got this really cool place where you can, a stage where you can come up and say something and record it, put it on social media. So it's just like a great interactive way of keeping the community engaged. And I will tell you that, I don't know if your kids like museums or art museums. Mine totally do, but we're in a house with 2 different designers living in it. So we have kids that are, they just love art. So they love art museums, especially when it's interactive. So let me go walk around, show you the beautiful building, and then take you outside. There's a little treat there at the end. Let's go upstairs. Look at this amazing art. But look at the skyline in here. So it is free to get in here, and guess how much it costs to park? You'll never guess. It's free. So there's no reason why you can't afford to come out and do this, because it doesn't cost you anything. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous these chairs are. So pretty. You can't bring food or drinks or backpacks into the gallery, which is normally what it is at most museums. What a great space. Here is our second exhibit. Are you a cat? Or are you a dog person? You know which one I am. How lucky are we in Greensboro to have an Andy Warhol painting or artwork here? It's pretty awesome. And our second Andy Warhol. Awesome. So I love museums, and what I love most is it's just all different styles. Now this one is predominantly contemporary and modern art, but it's just so great. It's so great to see everyone's different side of where they came from, how they decided to do art, the different mixed medias that they use, and sculptures and paintings and photography, and it's just something that I think is so great. The thing I love about the location of this is it's only a couple of blocks away from Old Town, my old stomping ground. And then right next door is Yum Yums, which has been in business since 1906, where my kids call it getting the red hot dog. They've got hot dogs there and really good ice cream. So that's something that you can check out. So we've got one more stop. So this outdoor sculptural garden is very, very cool. And they've got tons of seating and benches. It's where you can reflect, you can be quiet, you can be in the sun, you can be in the shade. And they've got several different sculptures out here. But I'm getting a coffee from the Burrow Coffee. Look at how cute it is. And I got a breve latte. They cycle it on. They have its own bike. And then they also have food from the Black Magnolia Patisserie. It's local and the food's amazing. Cute little like danishes and cinnamon rolls. So a good find. Well, I appreciate you sticking to the end. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll see you next time.